Today, we're breaking down Dan Koe's video on how to build a one-person business using AI. If you're new here, welcome to 5-Minute MBAs, where we take long business videos and condense them into very short breakdowns so you save more time in your daily life and make more money. Let's get into it. Dan starts out with a reality check and establishes that AI hasn't magically removed the core elements of building a business. You still need to know the fundamentals like copywriting and sales funnels. Step 1 in the business building is to define the goal. If we do the math behind a $1 million a year business, you need to roughly make $2,777 per day. You can hit that by selling 18 $150 products per day or landing one $10,000 client every 4 days. Alternatively, 111 people paying you $25 a month for a subscription also gets you there. No matter which model you choose, you'll need either high traffic or higher priced offers. Lower priced offers mean more volume, so traffic becomes your top priority. Step 2 is get traffic. Paid ads are expensive. That's why Dan emphasizes free content on social media as the most accessible way to drive traffic. If you're decent at content, you can realistically pull in 500,000 to 1 million impressions per month across platforms like YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Instagram. At a 2.5% conversion rate, you'd need 720 people to hit your landing page daily to make those 18 daily sales and hit that $1 million goal. Step 3. Use AI to build your business stack. Dan uses a tool called Cortex. He starts with creating a personal brand strategy, which includes your brand blueprint, content ideas, monetization paths, and platform strategies. Next, he uses Cortex to generate a customer avatar. Most people guess their audience wrong. Cortex fixes that by pulling from internet-scale data to define detailed demographics, behaviors, and pain points. Then you create a compelling offer. The AI helps position your product with clear value, a unique angle, and a specific outcome. Dan, for example, positioned one product as a negative to positive transformation that uses monk-inspired prompts to reduce anxiety and clarify purpose in 30 days. Once your offer is set, the AI writes your landing page, complete with headlines, benefits, and price points. Paste the copy into a platform like Stan Store or Gumroad, and now you're ready to sell. Step 4. Drive traffic with AI content workflows. With Cortex, Dan generates content ideas for TikTok, Instagram, Threads, and even YouTube. Dan ends by reminding you that AI can give you the strategy, write the content, and even build the brand, but you still have to sit down and do the work. And that's your 5-minute MBA breakdown of Dan Koe's video, How to Start a One-Person Business Fast with AI. You can watch the full video, the link is in the description. And if you're an entrepreneur, make sure to subscribe for more breakdowns of business content that actually helps you build and that saves you time.